Hey queens, welcome back to the Queendom. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you guys another bomb wig review. Before we get started, I want to talk to you guys about my merchandise. I am wearing my Wig Game Strong t-shirt. The definition, I did define myself, and I did create this shirt right in my own home, guys. So make sure you guys head over to my website, anotherqueenstreasure.com, and check it out, as well as the freedom print earrings that I'm wearing that match my shirt. They are also from my store, and they are on sale right now. So make sure you guys go and support your girl and check them out. So today I'm giving you guys a very affordable unit. It's also perfect for the summer because it does come with some short styles that is going to keep you cool and comfortable. So the color of this unit is very interesting. It does have a dark root and it flows into a gold color, and then it has brown or dark brown tips. Now the name of this color is called Daisy, and this unit, it does come longer in the front, as you can see. You could say it is an a angled bob, and the curls are kind of sort of body wave, but they're curled to the back, so kind of like feathered curls. So this unit is not a lace front unit, but it is a lace part unit. It comes with 2 combs in the front and adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Make sure you guys watch until the end so you can hear my final thoughts, and make sure you watch the customization so that when you get yours, you can customize it the same way. Alright you guys, I am ready to give you my final thoughts on this unit. So once again, this is by Janel Collection, and this is Janel. This unit is a really popular unit that is very inexpensive, so I wanted to bring it to you guys because a lot of you guys want those. Let me get myself right, girl. Hold up. A lot of you guys want those summer styles that look really nice and are lightweight and are affordable. So this is what I'm giving y'all. I hope y'all appreciate it and love it. So this color was really, really pretty. I loved the gold to the dark at the tips. This is the color Daisy. And a lot of you guys are already probably familiar with this color because they do have this in a lot of different of their units from Janel Collection. Now, I really like this color because it gives you a hint of sassiness, but of course, you still are very subtle with it. I'm very bold with colors. I understand that a lot of you guys are not, and that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to cater to your needs, and this is what you guys, a lot of you asked for. I did do a lot of tweaking to Janel, and I just did that because I feel like to customize a synthetic wig to your liking, you have to do what makes you comfortable and frame it to your face. So remember, you can go in with your pressed powder or whatever you have just to bring that parting out a little bit. I did pluck a little bit as well, and I did use my curly wand to flatten down the hair just a little bit. Now it did come long on the sides. I just was not a fan of that. I thought it looked a little weird on me, so I decided to trim it, and I like it 100% better trimmed. You guys let me know what you liked better. Did you like it long on the sides or trimmed on the sides? Make sure you comment that below. But overall, I love Janel. This wig is everything. It is so cute. If you want something more subtle, of course you can get a 1 or 1B. It does come in a lot of different colors, so let me know what you guys think about Janel. I absolutely love her, and I hope you guys are gearing up for my wig sale on June 11th. We are going to have a lot of units available, so make sure you guys peep my website, anotherqueenstreasure.com, which is where you can get this Wig Game Strong t-shirt and also the earrings that I'm wearing and any accessories that I'm wearing in any of my videos. So guys, I'm going to leave you at that, and I will see you in my next wig review tomorrow. Love you so much. Bye.